Okay, here I am, Brodick ferry terminal, and I've found the best car for the day without question. A Morgan, absolutely gorgeous, a work of art. Look at that, beautiful. Look at the chrome detailing in the front, even the low grille. There's the badge, Morgan. Got a little Union Jack on the side, that's nice to see as well. Everything about this car, the size of the doors, look how low it is compared to the car behind it. The little fins on the bonnet and in the wing, and a little grille right beside where the wing mirror is, or the door mirror actually in this case. The way the back lights come out from the back on little stalks, twin exhaust at the back. And just while we're at it, let's have a look inside, because the roof's off, and of course it's a convertible, which is the way sports cars want to be. That's a nice place to be, isn't it? A car just made to do one thing, to put a smile on your face. That is lovely. All leather inside, blue leather in this case. A +6, Morgan +6. Last time I heard there was a waiting list 5 years long for these cars. I don't know if it still is that long now. That is just beautiful. Oh, you don't see many of them. Yep, +6 on the back. Absolutely amazing. That's what you're getting when you're driving it, that's the view. Oh, this is the way a sports car should be. Lovely. Car of the day. Actually, I think car of the week. Cheers.